The hose on my Henry absolutely stinks and I need to do something about it. Now, if you're used to watching my videos, I don't normally say to clean these. They're corrugated inside, and if you miss a bit of dirt and it dries or stays wet for a long amount of time after the cleaning, it can make it smell even worse. But I said that on one of my videos last time and everyone said to try it in the washing machine. So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to spray the hose inside with some cleaner that I use for cleaning vacuum cleaners with. It's just a multi-purpose cleaner that I get mixed up, put it in a bottle, and I think that might just give it a head start for when the water starts going round inside, we hope. I'm going to put one of the laundry detergent things in, and then I presume we just put the hose in like that. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so it's all happening. It's not too loud either, so that's a good thing. My biggest worry with this as well was that the water wouldn't get through the entire hose and clean everything properly, but you know what? That's why we're trying it today. Also, if you need to know how to clean your Henry, if yours is starting to smell, it could be anywhere the smell could. So please check out this video in the top corner, and then at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a link to another video that I like, which is cleaning the metal pipes. Okay, so it's all done. Let's see what we're looking like. You know what? I don't know if I can still smell a little bit of the smell, but you know what? Give it a chance. It's still wet at the minute. We need to get it dry pronto. If it's the winter, just chuck a hairdryer down it, I presume. But it's a nice sunny day outside, so I'm going to go and swing this around to get any excess water out, and then I'm going to leave it on the line for about, an hour, and then I'll come back to you and see what it smells like. Just had a thought as well of another comment that I got on the video about cleaning hoses. One of the ladies, she actually just keeps it in her bath. Well, she shouldn't keep it in her bath. She puts it in the bath full of water and cleaning stuff presumably, and soaks it in a nice warm bath and then rinses it out with a shower. So if this doesn't work, that might be an avenue that you can explore yourself. Okay, I've left it a while. I'm just gonna see how it's getting on. Right, okay, it's pretty dry in there now. Perhaps needs a little bit longer. You need to make sure these are dry before you put them back on your Hoover or your pneumatic Henry. I'm sorry to say this still stinks. I don't even know what's caused this problem. I have a feeling it was a Dyson head that I put on my vacuum the other day, because since I did that little experiment, the whole thing stinks. But yeah, it might have to be a new hose or try the bath trick. I don't know. If you've recommended this washing machine thing and it works for you, can you tell me what I've done wrong? Because it ain't worked for me. I do hope you found this video helpful, even if it is to stop you trying the washing machine trick like I've just tried. This next video is showing you how to clean your metal pipes, and this one does a really good job.